Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to speed up your digital product sales using our plugin with the WooCommerce Checkout for digital goods. This plugin is designed to streamline your checkout process by eliminating unnecessary fields, making it perfect for selling digital goods. It sounds interesting, right? Let's dive in. After installing and activating the Digital Goods Checkout plugin, go to the General Settings page where you can configure all the necessary settings to exclude unnecessary checkout billing fields for your digital products. Before setting up the plugin, let's take a look at how the default WooCommerce Checkout appears for digital products before enabling our plugin. As you can see, I've added a digital product to the checkout and multiple billing fields like name, country, state, etc. are displayed. If you want to exclude some of these unnecessary billing fields for your digital goods checkout, you can activate our plugin and configure the settings. Now, let's go back to the plugin configuration section. In the Checkout Billing Fields section, you can select all or specific billing fields that you want to exclude. You can also customize the billing field labels and placeholders that appear on the checkout page. Next, go down to the configuration section. First, you need to enable this option to activate the plugin. If you want to exclude the order notes from your billing fields, you can activate that option here. Additionally, if you want to display the Quick Checkout button on the shop page as well as the product detail page, you can enable these two options. You can choose to display the Quick Checkout button for all downloadable and virtual products, or select a specific product category or tag using this second option here. Suppose you choose this second option here to manually display the Quick Checkout button on specific products. In that case, you must go to the Quick Checkout page and select your particular product from the list to activate the button. Now, let's return to the General Settings page. If you want to enable this plugin only for certain user roles, you can select them from the list here. Additionally, if you want to allow users to update their billing address after completing their order from the Thank You page, you can activate this option. For now, we'll leave it unchecked and save the settings. Now, let's see how it looks on the shop page. As you can see, the Quick Checkout button is now available for our digital products on the shop page here. If you go to the product landing page, you'll also see the same Quick Checkout button. Clicking this button adds the item to the cart and redirects you directly to the checkout page, where all unnecessary checkout fields have been removed based on your settings. As you can see here, we have now only a few billing fields that we kept active and the rest of the others have been disabled. This makes the checkout process faster for digital products, allowing you to complete your purchase with just a few required billing details. Let's proceed to complete this order by clicking on this Place Order button from here. So, you can see we have successfully placed an order for our digital products with limited billing fields. And that's how our Digital Goods Checkout plugin works. We hope this guide helps you to streamline your checkout process for digital products and enhances your customers' shopping experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. For premium plugins, visit our website. To test the plugin, click on the link below given in the description. For more WooCommerce tutorials and guides, subscribe to the Dotstore channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.